In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Atome on Trip.com. By the end, you'll have your virtual Atome card added to Trip.com and ready to use on your next booking, with clear tips to make the process smooth and secure. First, open the Atome app on your smartphone. Give it a moment to load so everything syncs. Atome provides a virtual card you can use like a standard credit or debit card, which is exactly what Trip.com accepts. Once you're in, head to the Atome Card tab. Here you'll see your 16-digit virtual card number, the expiration date, and the CVV. Use the built-in copy buttons if they're available, as this helps avoid typos. Keep this screen handy and treat the details like you would any other card. Don't share them and avoid taking screenshots on shared devices. If the app asks you to reveal the CVV, that's normal. Just tap to show it when you're ready to paste it on Trip.com. Now switch over to the Trip.com app. Open it up and log in if you're prompted. Being signed in ensures your saved cards are tied to your account and will be available at checkout. From the home screen, go to the account section. It's typically represented by a profile icon. Inside your account area, look for the option called My Cards. This is where Trip.com stores your saved payment methods for quick checkout. Tap Add Card. You'll land on the standard credit card form. Paste your Atome virtual card number into the card number field, then enter the expiration date and CVV exactly as shown in the Atome app. Double-check the digits for accuracy, especially the last four in the CVV, to avoid validation errors. If there's a name field, use your own name as it appears in your Atome profile. Pasting instead of typing helps prevent simple mistakes. When everything looks correct, tap Next. Follow any prompts to validate the card. This can include a quick security check, a small temporary authorization, a one-time passcode, or a confirmation sent via the Atome app. Keep both apps accessible so you can complete the verification without timing out. These checks are standard and help protect your account. Once validation is complete, your Atome card is saved and ready to use on your next Trip.com booking. At checkout, simply choose this saved card and proceed as usual. If you ever need to update or remove it, return to My Cards in your account. That's it. Your virtual Atome card is now set up on Trip.com, making future travel payments fast, familiar, and secure.